Okay, without further ado, let's jump to 360 and try to make this cool looking coaster in less than 3 minutes. Okay, so we have Fusion 360 open. I picked up Fusion 360 a few months ago when I got my new CNC. I'm not an expert at it. I only use it when I have a project in mind like the one we're working on today. Usually when I open it, I go to create a sketch. I pick this plane here for no specific reason. Really, I just got used to using it. It's kind of like, meeting an old friend that you haven't seen and you're happy to see it, so I pick it. And then after I pick that, I go to create, and then I'm gonna pick polygon. I'm gonna go to polygon, go to the origin, and go up about, let's see, a little bit over to 2.25, 2.20, about 2.2. Yeah, 2.25. We're gonna go back. We're gonna finish the sketch. We're gonna do the extrude tool. We're gonna extrude it about 0.5 inches, or how big your item, or how big your wood that you're gonna be doing the machining on. Press OK. Go front. Create another sketch actually. Pick this face and go to create circle diameter and go to about 2 inches. Click finish sketch, and now we're gonna click this circle, click extrude again. I'm gonna just move it a little bit so we can see it, and then we're gonna go down a little bit. I think I'm gonna go 0.25. Yeah, that looks good, and that's it. Okay, I think I missed something here. These are not rounded, so I'm gonna need to go back to the original sketch. I'm gonna do edit sketch, and here we're gonna go to sheet metal, fillet sheet metal, whatever that's called. I'm gonna go here, click that point, click here, click there, and here, and last one. And then we're gonna do finish sketch, and there you have it. Now it's all done, and it looks pretty much just like the coaster that we showed in the beginning of the video. And that's how you can make a project very quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.